if you're not making at least $1,000 a week in passive income, then I'm going to show you exactly the steps that I take to start to generate income and know which ideas I should go after. Showing you how I get started utilizing Chat GPT. So let's go ahead and hop into it. And here are the steps. Number one, we're going to obviously go over to Chat GPT, but we're going to use this prompt here. Make a list of the top 10 ebook categories that have engaged and eager buyers. Right, it'll then spit out a list for you. I put a full list inside of my 101 ebook ideas book, so you can get these prompts as well as the additional ebook ideas. Be on Instagram if you need that. But prompt number 2, after you get those results, prompt number 2 is now create 10 digital products. Hold on, let me move myself. Self-help and personal development. That's the industry that I chose, right? So then it'll spit out 10 digital products, adding an additional layer to this. So then in prompt number 3, I added in, give me 10 digital products in the self-help and personal development, but add titles that are trending. These are the titles that it spit out. If you need more help, go ahead and click the link in my bio and download that book today.